Are you looking for a selfie stick that's also a tripod? Well, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know, one of the things that I like are the selfie sticks, but one of the things that I have on both my iPhone and my Android phone is MagSafe. I added it to my Android phone with a case, so it's got a nice round magnet on it, and that's because I actually like that magnetic mount. It mounts in my car and on my nightstand, and it's super convenient. You don't even have to use it for charging. If you have like the magnetic mount on your desk or something like that, you can just kind of place it on there. It's meant to just hold it as well. So I picked up a new selfie stick that will also work as a tripod. So if I'm on the go and I want to shoot a video that's saying hi to you, I can do it. But what this one will do is it will allow things like this little metal ring, which is like a MagSafe ring, to attach to the selfie stick just like that. Oh, and I don't have to fumble with the clamps and all those. You kind of trying to do them one-handed, get them on there, and then they wobble a little bit, whatever. Nope, I can just slap it right on there on that magnet and know that it's nice and secure. And now I can show you that I can rotate this up just like that if I want to. We also get a little Bluetooth remote here, so you can connect this to your phone and then use this to, you know, turn it on and off. It's usually just a volume control, and then that usually signals to iPhone at least to start or stop recording. I think it must be pretty similar in Android. Then down here on the handle, which is probably like 1.5 inches thick, so it actually feels really good in the hand. It's all plastic, so it's pretty light, but we have a little texturing down here, but I can pull these legs out just like that, just like I do with my own, and then I can splay them. Look at that, splay them out. And now I have a nice little tripod base where I can use this now to film myself or take a photo. If I pull on this, ooh, look at that. You can see how it just extends out. So no twisting or anything, just very resistive. So how far does it go? Oh my gosh, that thing is pretty long. I'd say that's almost like 4 feet once you get to the top here. So look at that. Like a 2001 A Space Odyssey opening, man. That thing is the Nostromo of selfie sticks. So I could definitely selfie myself from way out here. All right. So what we get is the magnet up here. So that's going to be compatible with my phones, which is going to be really nice. A really long adjustable selfie stick here. And then a nice long splayed out tripod so that I can use it wherever I go. So if you are looking for something to take your photos or your videos while you're on vacay and you have MagSafe, either on your iPhone or on your Android phone, you can do it. Well, you're going to want this. So if you want to pick up this selfie stick, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.